Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Mint mobile activation problems. Fix 1. Check compatibility. Check your phone is unlocked and compatible using Mint mobile network. To check compatibility, go to Compatibility Check website. Under Quick Check by Model and Brand, input your brand and model. Alternatively, you can also use IMEI number. Android, go to Settings, then About Device, then Status. For iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then About. Fix 2. Check your phone is unlocked. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular option. If it is not visible, your phone is locked. For Android, go to Google, then enter your mobile model to see the status. If your phone is locked, you have to contact current provider to unlock it. Alternatively, you can also test by inserting a different SIM card. If your phone connects to another network or activates a Mint trial, it's unlocked. Fix 3. Update your device software. Keeping your phone software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and to avoid compatibility issues that may affect your service. To update the operating system on an iPhone, follow these steps. Go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, tab download and install. Enter your passcode if prompted. Wait for the update to download and install. Keep your device plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi until the update is complete and restart your phone. To update the operating system on an Android device, follow these steps. Go to the settings, then system, then software update. If an update is available, tab download and install. Wait for the update to download and install. Fix 4. Reset network settings. For iOS, open the system app, then general, then scroll down and tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. You may need to enter your device passcode or Apple ID password to proceed. Confirm the action by tapping reset network settings again in the confirmation prompted. Your device will restart automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. For Android, open the Settings app, then Network and Internet, then scroll down and tap on Reset or System. Tap on Reset Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi. Review the information about what will be reset, then tap on Reset Settings or Reset Network Settings. Confirm the action by tapping Reset Settings. Your device will reset automatically and network settings will be reset to their default configurations. Fix 5. Update APN Settings. For iOS device, go to Settings, then Cellular Data. Enable LTE, add the APN with the following details. Leave the remaining fields blank and restart your phone. Fix 6. Contact Mint Mobile's customer support. If you continue to experience issues, contact Mint Mobile customer support for further assistance. They can be reached by phone at or through live chat on the Mint Mobile website. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.